see. Ready? Simon says, put your hands on your nose. Simon says, put your hands on your hair. Simon says, put your hands on your feet. Simon says, put your hands on your butt. Your butt. Right. Simon says, put your hands on your eyes.
We can't really do that.
We cover your eyes like this. Right. Simon says, put your hands on your nose. Simon says, put your hands on your ears. Simon says, put your hands on your hips. Hips. No, what are you doing? You did it.
On the hips.
Simon says, smile. It increases your face value. Simon says, cheese. Simon says, go to bed. The end. You want to see what else?
Again.